Watch this video to the end and you'll learn exactly how to install motion graphics templates to Premiere Pro. Hey everybody, I hope you're all well. I'm Leon and I produce content every week focused on video production, making money online, tutorials and entrepreneurship. So you see these little motion graphics templates, or lower thirds if you will, and titles and all this magical stuff. Well, today you're going to be learning exactly how to install them in Premiere Pro. So keep watching to the end and make sure to subscribe with notifications turned on for more content. And without any further hesitation, let's jump right into the video. Alright everybody, so as you can see we are on the Envato Elements website and we're just going to go for a template we like. So for example this one that we've just clicked on, so download it. Create a new project. As you can see there's projects here, so add a download, and just like that it's basically downloaded. So now all we need to do is just launch Premiere, and now all you want to do is come over to the Essential Graphics tab, grab the template we just downloaded, now all you need to do is click and hold over it, drag it over to Premiere Pro, and as you can see you've got a little box and a plus, so let go. And as you can see we should actually we should have it, I think. Have a look what it actually was. So call out title, that's what it was called. And just like that, you have successfully you should now have successfully installed some motion graphics templates to Premiere. And that right there is the end of the video. If you wish to see more of this content, then make sure to subscribe with notifications turned on. Leave a like as it's good for the algorithm and search results. Comment down below any video ideas and the best one will be pinned as top comment. Thanks for watching and enjoy your day.